everyone, I'm Jayati Rastogi and I'm currently pursuing MSc Biotechnology from Guru Ghansida Central University, which is situated in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Currently, I'm doing my summer internship from Orbit Biotechnology, which is situated in Mohali, Chandigarh, India. I came to know about Orbit from internet and then we thought to came here for a summer internship program, and I'm doing my internship on food microbiology, and my mentor is Monica Chaudhary ma'am. She is such a wonderful mentor. I think she is teaching us very well, and currently my handling is also settled. Theoretical knowledge is good, but my practical knowledge is currently poor, or I can say that my handling was not that much good. But due to this 4-week summer internship program, my handling is well now. I can do spreading well, streaking well, and I learned so much things from her. She is such a jolly mentor, and I think that everyone should get a mentor like her. It is such a great institute for doing your